Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact components and a stable power source. This saves time. Once ready, open the crafting terminal and check firmware and inventory space so processes won't fail. Put the base item in input slot 1, add reagents to the remaining input slots, and confirm the output slot is clear. Make sure quantities match the recipe's requirements. If a slot rejects an item, reorganize or swap similar components. Begin the craft sequence as soon as all inputs read correctly. You now choose the precise recipe and tweak parameters for yield and quality. Once selected, change quantity and any quality modifiers. This alters power draw and craft time, so balance speed versus output. Make sure the terminal shows required power and sufficient time available. If not, top up the energy source. Lock the input slots to prevent accidental swaps, then initiate crafting. While it runs, watch the progress meter and logs for warnings. This helps catch issues before they cancel the job. You finish by removing the crafted item and verifying its stats and condition. Confirm it matches expectations before using or storing. Once done, compare alternate recipes if results differ, and save the preset that worked best so you can repeat it quickly. Make sure to clear leftover reagents and reset slots. Troubleshooting tip: if crafting fails or yields incorrect stats, restart the terminal, check firmware and power levels, and rerun with one variable changed to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.